I got into an argument on a when we was doing Troubleshoot Reality. We had the crew of one of the movies that the movie that I was doing the sound for, and they thought I was trying to downplay them. I was like, because they was like, oh yeah, shout out to the cast. I was like, no, definitely shout out to the crew as well. And they thought I was just saying it because I was on the crew, and I'm just like. I said, because the crew, they didn't let me finish. I was like, the crew made it easy for y'all to come in and they like, what made it easy? This, that. I'm like, y'all didn't let me finish. It did make it easy for all y'all had to do was just come in and act. Y'all didn't have to do anything. Guess what? My first film, I helped do every fucking thing. You get what I'm saying? Like, if they need me to help, but I was also a sound guy in the first movie. People don't know that. In the scene where they was in the bridal shower, I helped do sound and all of that shit. You get what I'm saying? If I didn't need help on set, they need to use my car. They need to use all this stuff. Guess what? Y'all didn't have to use none of your own personal shit. Y'all had wardrobe. Y'all had a wardrobe person. Y'all had somebody to mic y'all up. This and that. Y'all had all of these different things. I didn't have that in my first movie. It was two people. It was the sound guy and the director was also the camera, the sound, the help with sound. He was also the wardrobe help with wardrobe, even though it was our own wardrobe, because everything you seen me wore in my first movie is all my wardrobe. Nobody get none of that. We didn't have none of that shit. So I was like, this is a total difference from what I started with. And y'all been on other sets where y'all know for a fact it ain't been that. This is the first set y'all ever been on that there was wardrobe and all this other stuff like that. So what are y'all saying? Like, yes, shout out to the wardrobe group. Shout out to the wardrobe crew. Shout out to the lighting. Shout out to the this, that. Because yes, those people made your job easy where all you had to do was focus on your character. That's it. You didn't have to worry about nothing else. Everything was taken care of for you. You know what I'm saying? Scared everything. Nothing you had to do, and they thought I was getting. And I got into a big old argument with all of them, especially right after.
I would have just said, well, next time you want to film a movie, don't hire the crew and just be out on a street corner looking like a crazy motherfucker. Talking to yourself.
Everybody in that room except for Nico and Quan was coming at me, and I was just like, am I? Are y'all retarded? I was like, first and foremost, y'all know I've worked on both sides. I've been the actor. I've been on all the sides. So how you gonna tell me I can't big these people up when I've been on? It's a difference if I've never acted and never been in movies. Before I was on a part of the crew, I was fucking acting. You know what I'm saying? Right. So I know both sides. So how the fuck are you gonna tell me I can't say that I can't big these people up when they work fucking hard?
Yeah.
You don't know about holding a goddamn boom mic for fucking hours on end like this. You ain't never did that shit before.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
I'm sure it's the acting and memorizing lines and trying to put inflection and do the acting part, but like, I'm sure it's stressful, but you have to thank everybody. If you're going to thank anybody, you got to think it all. Cause it's like,
yes,
a person directing like everything, shot coordinators. I mean, everything, dude. There's so many moving parts, but like when we do it ourselves.
But guess what? But we know how to do it all though. That's the thing. You know what I mean? We don't need to necessarily, the only reason why I will hire a boom person is because we need that. Like that's the main thing. But lighting, setting up the cameras, all that, man, we do that shit our fucking self. Mm-hmm. You know what I'm saying? But I would definitely want to hire a dedicated sound person. Like I got to know a guy now like that I work with on a short film, and he has everything. Like he's fucking dope. He got the boom, he got the labs, he got the everything. If you need to strap it on your leg, he got all that shit. He even said, bro, I don't even have one. He said, there's another guy in the city that's even better than him. For him to even say that, and he's great. You know what I'm saying? Because I've done sound, and I know what I did wasn't what he's done or what he's doing. You know what I'm saying? Especially the equipment he has and all that stuff like that. Even me editing the stuff, like I have five audio tracks. 5, because he's taking it from the camera to the this to the that to the that. He got it strapped on him and all of that stuff. And he comes with his old. I came with my little DJI mics that I used. Luckily they worked. They worked on set. I used that for a whole movie. DJI mics in the regular boom Sennheiser joint, which wasn't mine. It was somebody else. It was the director's, but still, that's what I came on set with. He came on set with everything. Already owned everything. He owned everything, and still know he wants more. You know what I mean? And he could use more. It's him and his wife as well. Or girlfriend, I don't know.
If we can just befriend these people so they'll want to just come in and donate their time and be part of something cool.